Core system libraries failing because of the Rasadhlp.dll. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. Before the walkthrough for Rasadhlp, note that a diagnostic resource for reviewing system references is linked below. This is the Rasadhlp, the Remote Access Auto Connection Helper. It provides unmanaged routines for orchestrating automatic network dial-up and VPN connections within the system connectivity manifest. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. This is a critical Windows system integrity issue. You should run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and executing sfc/scan now, allowing Windows to automatically repair core architecture files like Rasadhlp.dll. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Rasadhlp file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Rebooting didn't clear the communication block, so we'll manually flush the network plumbing. Open Command Prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First, type netsh space int space ip space rreset, then hit enter. Second, type netsh space winsock space reset, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, these DLLs act as the plumbing for your internet connection. Resetting the stack clears corrupted cached routes and orchestration manifests that a restart cannot reach. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install Rasadhlp.dll into directories where it doesn't belong. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. Review options for improving system stability and resource management by consulting the diagnostic information linked below for Rasadhlp. If we successfully synchronized the missing library for Rasadhlp today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.